Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Loryn tries to DIY something and makes it way too hard and then redoes something and goes too far and it might turn out okay sometimes. Welcome back to Clevver Style. In quarantine, I have discovered that I am obsessed with DIY. I have dabbled in bleach. I made my own Met Gala outfit. I even tie-dyed a wedding dress. So I've decided that I'm going to have a little pool party in my backyard. I have a blow-up pool. I have many a blow-up pool float with nowhere to take them. And to complete my backyard pool party, I of course need a ridiculous DIY bikini. I'm not going to bleach it. I'm not going to tie-dye it. I am going to bedazzle it. And if that works, I am also going to bedazzle a matching Speedo for my husband. Yeah, I'm worried he's gonna be mad. I really don't know how he feels about me continuously parading him around in Speedos on camera. But we're still married, so that's a good sign. So, let's get dazzling. Let's bedazzle. Oh boy, brain is working on a pun, working hard overtime. Bedazzle, 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 bedazzle. Fradazzle. DI. Why are you still married to me? Let's get bedazzled. Let's bedazzle. That's a really hard word to make a pun out of before this episode ends. I will have thought of a pun for bedazzle. Mark my words. Bet on it, bet on it, bet on it, bet on it. All right, craft station, commence. It's okay. Oh, God. Spider. Oh, I knew it. Oh, God. Kill it. Come out, you little suckers. That doesn't really work when we're outside of the studio, so I have to do this all myself. Okay. So, I've got this pink bikini. It's high-waisted. It's not too skimpy in the sense that I'll be able to get a lot of jewels on it. Sean's swimsuit is definitely smaller, skimpier than mine. What are you gonna do? I'm in charge.
I'm not bossy. I'm the boss.
Tools. I've got a jewel picker, ultimate tool for jewel making, beading, scrapbooking. Okay, what about bedazzling? The jewels. Okay, my thinking for this bikini is I want to do like a neon ombre pink and purple gradient. Couldn't just be random jewels, could it? No, I had to choose a design. What I did was I'm thinking like a dark purple that fades into a pink and gets lighter on the bottom and maybe on the top too, I don't really know. And then all this glue, why do I have so much glue? Is it really gonna take that much? Industrial strength adhesive. It doesn't even have a name. It's just called E6 800. Why? You sound very serious. So we have enough glue to bulk make these bedazzled bikinis. And I have my towel for spiders. Let's be real. Looking at my DIY supplies and bedazzle kits, I couldn't help but wonder, did I bite off more than I could bedazzle?
My thoughts exactly.
My husband and I love to wear matching outfits in general. We have several matching bathing suits. We have a jean kini and a Gino. That is a denim swimsuit for me and a denim Speedo for him. That's one of my faves. I haven't really been in love with the supply of matching couple swimsuits out there. So now this is why I'm gonna make my own to literally get exactly what I want and for a lot more work. I'm just gonna kind of put the jewels on here without gluing them and see what it is that I'm trying to accomplish here. So I had wanted to cover the entire bikini front in gemstones. I didn't really want any of the pink to peek out. But now I'm seeing, like, obviously when this stretches out, the rhinestones are not gonna touch. And then I also definitely do not have enough jewels. I have more on the way. They should be delivered today. And also the dark purple down here at the crotch hole area looks like rhinestone pubes. Not quite what I was going for. All right, I have a new idea. My new idea is to rhinestone a word onto both of our bathing suits. I'm thinking that word is going to be kapow, which is our last names combined. It was our wedding hashtag. So maybe I'll write kapow on the bottom, and on the top, maybe I'll do kapow on the boobs. Kapow. C-A-P-O-W. so confused. This glue, like, is not sticking. Industrial strength, my tushy. Why? Okay, so I did a little research finally, and I bet even a lot of you were screaming at your computers that you have to let this glue cure, then it gets tacky, and then it will stick. Also, it probably doesn't dry clear, so if you make a mistake, you'll be able to see it. So, I think I kind of know what I'm doing now. I think I can come back and like fix these if I add more rhinestones, and then I have an idea for the bottom now that I think will be better. Okay, update. I'm sweating. I had to put my hair back. It has now been 4 hours since I began this bedazzled journey. Haven't thought of a pun for that word yet because I've been a little busy. Here's where we're at with the new idea. These are like light purple. I don't really know. I might add more. I can't decide. I probably will add more. That's very on brand for me. This is where we're at with the top. It says kapow. I added these little studs along the side. My back hurts a lot from the extra embellishments. Piles of glue and beads everywhere. And I still have to do Sean's. I just finished the kapow part of Sean's Speedo. Now I have to let it dry. Oh, it's like 6 o'clock. My body hurts. It's just sitting in a really bad position for crafting. I think I'm gonna call it for the day. Bedazzling has sucked the soul out of me. Nothing that a little white claw can't fix. I'll see what this looks like tomorrow. Okay, well, I hope everyone slept well. I know I didn't, because I was really nervous that I had brought spiders into my bedroom because of the craft table from the garage. Come out, you little suckers. B, I was nervous that my husband was gonna see what I was doing because I left the craft table in our bedroom overnight. And C, I was nervous that the glue wasn't going to stick or was gonna stick too well, and the bathing suit material was actually gonna stick to each other. So I haven't looked at it yet. We're gonna see how it turned out together, you and me, right here. It's happening. So this is how I kind of hid it so that my husband wouldn't see. So this is the unveiling. Please don't be stuck to the towel. Okay, so far so good. You do a little shake test. Hey, everything is staying. Don't mind if I Speedo. So I had another realization. When I originally bought these 2 swimsuits, I thought I was going to cover them with jewels, thus making it unnecessary for the pinks to really match. Since that plan fell through, half-baked that it was, I'm now realizing that our bathing suits really don't match. So I have a really weird idea because I always have to, you know, make things worse. I have an extra. We bought 2 of my bikinis because I like to mix and match the sizes, and also in case I messed up. What if I cut some of the pink material from the extra bathing suit and glued it to the front of Sean's Speedo? Should I? But like, should I? Because you know I'm going to. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I think this is gonna work. Okay, so I think the Speedo is done. It's not the worst thing I've ever done. I no longer am sure if my husband is going to be my husband at the end of this. This is for sure the most bizarre thing I've ever asked him to partake in. Okay, so while the glue is drying, I have to now set up for the pool party. So I have a lot of work to do. I'm nervous, I'm excited. Let's do it. First things first, no pool party is complete without, oh, I just tripped. No pool party is complete without a sweet ride. Big, ouch. Duh. All right, now we'll fill this up with water. Only thing left to do now is, you know, get into our wardrobe. Oh, and tell my husband what he has to do. Wish me luck. Okay, so Sean just finished work, finally. I have the bathing suits laid out here. I'm gonna call him in and get his reaction. Hey, Sean, can you come here a sec?
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Come here.
Okay.
I got you something. I made you something.
Okay.
Do you want to see it? Behind me.
A little nervous, but why are you smiling?
Ta-da!
Wow. I've always wanted my own pink rhinestone Speedo.
Look at the butt.
Kapow! This is amazing. This is like my wrestling outfit that I always wanted in WWE.
Do you like it?
Yeah, great. So I'm assuming you want me to wear it. This is great. This is what you've been working on for like the last 48 hours?
Yeah, there's one more surprise. Don't look outside behind me, okay? There's one more surprise. Okay, so go change and meet me outside. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, see you outside.
See you outside.
Ladies and gents, this is the moment you've waited for.
Where did you find a unicorn sprinkler?
You know, I have my ways. I'm very resourceful when it comes time to party. There we go. How's it looking? It's a little tight.
It's a little tight.
It looks good though. The rhinestones are kapowing right off. Kapow. Kapow. That's the sound of my dog drinking the water from the sprinkler in the pool float. So, should we go into business making custom bathing suits?
Yes.
Well, this was a journey. This took, I think my bathing suit alone took me 6 hours.
So we had to sell them for like $300 to make money.
You saying I'm only worth $50 an hour?
And materials.
I'm pretty proud of myself.
Really turned out great.
And the glue is industrial strength. We may have ruined the craft table.
Speedo is also industrial strength. Godric, Akio cocktail.
White claw. Use those paws to bring us some claws.
Nice.
Thanks.
Just come with that yourself?
Yeah. Hey, look at that. Looking good.
Thanks. I had it rhinestoned by a professional.
Yeah, it's called Bedazzled.
Bedazzled.
I was supposed to come up with a pun by the end of this episode for that word.
You bedazzled my booty. My badoozy.
Oh, I butt-dazzled?
Bedazzled me?
That's why we're married, thank you. All right, well, now that this pool float is literally deflated and we're sitting on the floor, I'm really gonna go now. Click over here or over there, you know, click on the unicorn or click on the pow or the ka. I don't know where the videos are, but you know what you're doing. Also, comment a unicorn so I know that you made it this far, and I will see you later.